Hello everyone and welcome back to Crafty Guild. Today I will show you how to make this scarf. The materials needed for this project, I am using a Red Heart Super Saver ombre yarn. The color is purple. And then I am using a 5.25mm crochet hook and a pair of scissors. To start, we are going to make a slip knot. And then next we are going to chain 26. For row 1, we're going to skip 1 chain and then single crochet in the next chain. And then chain 3, skip 5 chains, and then in the next chain work a double crochet, and then chain 1 and double crochet. Repeat that 4 times in this stitch. And then chain 3, skip 5 chains, and then single crochet in the next chain. Chain 3, skip 5 chains, and then in the next chain make a double crochet, and then chain 1 and double crochet. Repeat that 4 times in this stitch. And then chain 3, skip 5 chains, and on this last chain make a single crochet. Now we're done making row 1 of our scarf. We're going to turn our work and then chain 3. This is the second row. On the same stitch, make 2 double crochet. And then chain 1. On this chain 1 space, make a single crochet, and then chain 3. I'm gonna repeat that on this chain 1 spaces. Single crochet and then chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, and then single crochet. You'll have 3 chain arches. Then on this stitch we are going to work 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. Next, chain 1 and then work on the chain 1 spaces, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, and then single crochet. And then next chain 1, and then make 3 double crochet in this stitch. turn your work. Then for row 3 we're going to chain 3, and then on the same stitch make 2 double crochet. And then chain 2, and then we're going to work on the chain 3 arch, make a single crochet, and then chain 3, then single crochet in the chain 3 arch, chain 3, then single crochet in the next chain 3 arch. Then chain 2, and then on this chain 1 space we're going to work 2 double crochet, 1 chain and 2 double crochet. Then chain 2, single crochet in the chain 3 arch, then chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 arch, then chain 3, and then single crochet in the next chain 3 arch. Next gonna chain 2, and then we're going to work 3 double crochet on this stitch. Now we're done with row 3, we're going to proceed to row 4. Turn your work, and then chain 3. And then on the same stitch, make 2 double crochet. Then chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 arch, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 arch, and then chain 3, in the chain 1 space work 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. Chain 3, and then make 3 double crochet in this stitch. turn your work, chain 1 and then single crochet in the same stitch. Next, chain 3, and then on the chain 3 arch we are going to make a double crochet, and then chain 1 and double crochet. Repeat that 4 times on this stitch. Chain 3, then single crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 3, and then on the chain 3 arch double crochet, and then chain 1 and double crochet. Repeat that 4 times on this arch. Chain 3, and then in this stitch make a single crochet. Repeat the pattern from row 2 to 5 until you reach row 140. Now we're done with row 140. We're gonna turn our work and then chain 1 and then single crochet in the same stitch, and then chain 5, and then on the chain 3 arch make a single crochet, and then chain 5, and then on this chain 1 space single crochet, then chain 5, and then single crochet in the chain 3 arch, chain 5, and then single crochet in this stitch. I'm just gonna fasten this off. And then weave the ends. To make the tassel, I have 4 strands of yarn about 10 inches long. Fold them in half, and then insert. Okay, that's how you make the tassel, and just repeat that. Now we're done making our scarf. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up button, and then if you have any comments, you can leave your comment down below. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you will get notified every time I post new free crochet patterns. Thank you for watching my video, and then I'll see you next time.